guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be showing you how to change the oil on a Mercedes GL. So this is the 350 diesel, and you can see here we've got our filter. This filter number is HP7028. So for this particular vehicle, we're going with PM Lubrication PM420. This is a 5W30 low SAPS full synthetic motor oil. The oil capacity for this vehicle with the oil filter is about 8 liters, which I believe is about 8.5 quarts. So we will be needing 2 5-liter containers of PM420. So you can see here, you've got your oil filler cap, your dipstick, and your oil filter enclosure.